Here's some Utah Phillips trivia. Subscribe. Which state was Utah Phillips born in? Is it A, Utah, B, Kentucky, C, Texas, or D, California? The correct answer is A, Utah. What is the name of Utah Phillips' most famous song? Is it A, The Last Train, B, The Goodnight Loving Trail, C, Greenwood Side, or D, Ramblin' Man? The correct answer is C, Greenwood Side. Which group did Utah Phillips perform with during his career? Is it A, the Community Singers, B, the Weavers, C, the Carter Family, or D, the Kingston Trio? The correct answer is A, the Community Singers. In what year did Utah Phillips pass away? Is it A, 2010, B, 2006, C, 2012, or D, 2008? The correct answer is D, 2008. Who influenced Utah Phillips' songwriting? Is it A, Woody Guthrie, B, Pete Seeger, C, Johnny Cash, or D, Bob Dylan? The correct answer is A, Woody Guthrie. In what context did Phillips often work? Is it A, environmental conservation, B, corporate finance, C, community organizing, or D, software development? The correct answer is C, community organizing. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.